Afternoon, Justin with Giant Loop. I'm here to share some of my favorite luggage pieces with you. Got it mounted on my 390 here. I carry a Possibles pouch with all my tools in it. We'll go through those specifically here in a second. I carry the Diablo tank bag. I really like to use my tank bag for my snacks and hydration. A couple of little emergency essentials, but the primary emergency essentials go on the back in my Mojave. And so I maintain a first aid kit and some shelter, as well as recovery tools to make sure I can get myself back home. Here in the Klamath, I keep a quick draw camp in that. You never know when you might have to spend the night on the trail, so keeping a little bit of camp, make sure that you can stay healthy, maybe not comfortable, but stay healthy and get home the next day. I'm gonna bust these open and take a look what that looks like. Klamath packs, real versatile, real flexible. I'm able to fit a full reflective tarp and my camp cook tin, as well as the line to hang the tarp right there in the lid. You'll notice that the expandable clamshell makes it easy to keep this kind of load or smaller load or even a little larger load. Just got to flex it some and clip it all in. On my food and essentials side, of course, that critical trail side necessity, hydration. So tucked on the other side, I keep my cup. Taking a pause always helps me remember what I'm supposed to be doing. In this case, we're setting camp. In addition to the water on this side, I keep my other hard tools. If I got a tree I need to shorten, we keep a saw in a protected case so it's not injurious to us or our equipment. And that way I can cut down anything on the trail that's blocking the trail. Additionally, I keep a strong knife, same purpose. We got to shorten any wood sticks, we can get that done. On the opposite side, the actual emergency essentials for the person and for the no dig zone for those number 2 emergencies, because you don't want to get yourself stuck out on the trail with no options. In the tank bag, I keep a 2-liter hydration bladder with filter attached, so I can stop at any stream, fill that bladder up, and still have healthy, safe water to drink while I'm out on the trail. In addition, I'm gonna keep my immediate access snacks, some navigation equipment, my tire gauge. That's pretty much all the kit. For tools, I only worry about tire emergencies. So in my toolkit, I'm gonna keep my irons. I'm also gonna keep my flat repair system, and I use CO2 chargers to get that done. Pretty basic kit, but it absolutely covers all the bases.